In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the transfer case fluid in the 2014 Nissan Pathfinder. Now these are small transfer cases that they put on these vehicles, so I suggest you change this like once a year. It's a small transfer case, it's known to have problems, and it's known to have leaks, so changing it more often is better. So we'll go ahead step by step and get the transfer case fluid in this Pathfinder and get it back on the road. Alright, so to locate your drain plug and your fill plug on your transfer case, I'm just going to reference your oil drain pan. So right there is the oil drain plug. You go a little bit to the left, and you'll see I have my 10mm socket sticking into the drain plug. And now the fill plug is a little bit harder to see, but I have my 3/8 ratchet stuck into the fill plug right there. So you want to make sure you can get your fill plug out first, and once you can get that loose, then you're going to go ahead and do the drain plug. So I'll go ahead and pull that fill plug out right there, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull the drain plug. Close-up views of the two plugs. This one right here is your fill plug, and this one right here is your drain plug. Now I like to use these graduated buckets whenever I do oils, transmission services, whatever, because I like to know how much fluid comes out of them. So it looks like I got about 10 ounces of fluid out. And here's what the fluid looks like. So now to put the fluid back in there, it's a little bit difficult if you don't have this. So this is a fluid pump. It screws right onto a quart bottle. And all you do is just pump it up and down, and it's going to push the gear oil right into the transfer case. So we're going to hold that tube into the fill, and then all you do is just push up and down on this. And as you can see, that's how it's going to get the new gear oil in. I wound up using a little bit longer hose, just because it was kind of hard to curl up in there. Alright, so I'm just pumping it in. You should be able to see a couple air bubbles go in there. You want to do this really slow. It doesn't take very much. And you're just going to keep pumping until it starts to come out of the fill hole. Alright, so now at this point you can use your ratchet again and go ahead and tighten up the fill plug to 26 foot-pounds. Job is complete. Congratulate yourself on doing this transfer case fluid change on your own. You didn't have to take it to a dealer, so you saved yourself a lot of time and money. As long as you have the right tools and the right products, this job isn't too bad. First time you do it, give yourself about 45 minutes. After that, only going to take about 30 minutes to change that out. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.